Welcome to today's comprehensive e-commerce news bulletin. We are discussing Zepto's delivery changes, Phoenix Mills expansion plans, banking alerts, Shiprocket's stock performance, Digidukan's funding, and Sunshine Pictures IPO day. Quick commerce platform Zepto has raised the minimum order value required for free delivery by up to 299 rupees. This increase applies specifically during periods of high demand to manage operational costs effectively. The company previously set this threshold at 199 rupees in normal operating hours. By adjusting these parameters, Zepto aims to balance profitability with customer convenience across its network. This move brings their peak hour thresholds closer to alignment with other major rivals in the Indian market. Phoenix Mills plans a massive expansion of its retail space to exceed 18 million square feet by the year 2030. The company is actively repositioning mature malls to enhance their food and entertainment offerings for modern shoppers. Recent growth data from the first quarter of fiscal year 27 shows an over 30% increase in consumption across properties. Immediate expansion projects are underway to capitalize on India's booming consumption trends. This strategic shift reflects a long-term commitment to evolving retail experiences beyond traditional shopping. Utkarsh Small Finance Bank customers will not be able to access banking services during a planned core banking system migration. The disruption is scheduled from August 21st through August 24th of this year. Affected users should expect limited transaction capabilities throughout this 4-day window. The bank has communicated these dates clearly to ensure minimal confusion among the customer base. During this period, alternative payment methods may be restricted for existing accounts. Shiprocket shares extended their post-listing rally after making a strong debut at a 35% premium to the IPO price. The stock touched 144 rupees, taking its gains from the issue price to over 48%. Analysts advised allotted investors to book some profits given the current momentum in the market. Fresh investors are encouraged to wait for dips before entering the position. This continued rally indicates strong investor confidence in the logistics technology sector. Digidukan raised 20 crore rupees to expand its 6-minute construction procurement capabilities significantly. The company claims to deliver nearly 5,000 orders with a 90% repeat customer rate. Monthly gross merchandise value has grown 8 times since the beginning of this year. Their average order value sits above 9,000 rupees, reflecting premium service standards. This funding will support scaling their rapid delivery network further. Shares of Sunshine Pictures are proposed to be listed on both the BSE and NSE on August 25th. Subscription levels reached 12.27 times, led by strong net interest income and retail demand. The market reaction suggests robust investor appetite for the entertainment sector's digital transformation initiatives. Analysts note that the company's valuation reflects its growing presence in modern media consumption. This successful subscription run indicates confidence in their strategic direction. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for the next bulletin covering more retail insights.